Hi everyone, welcome back to Simple Step Tutorials. In today's video, I'll show you how to use Google Calendar step by step. This is one of the most powerful free tools from Google, and it's perfect for keeping track of events, meetings, deadlines, and daily routines. Step 1. Access in Google Calendar. First, open your browser and go to calendar.google.com or open the Google Calendar app if you're on mobile. Make sure you're signed in with your Google account. On the main page, you'll see a clean calendar view with days, weeks, or months displayed. Step 2. Creating your first event. To create an event, click on any date or use the +Create button on the left-hand side. A pop-up will appear where you can add the event title, time, and location. For example, let's add a meeting titled Team Project Update. Set it for 10 a.m. tomorrow. Step 3. Adding guests and video conferencing. One of the best features of Google Calendar is that you can invite people directly. Just type in their email address in the Add Guests box and they'll receive an invite. If you want to make it an online meeting, click Add Google Meet Video Conferencing, and Google will generate a unique link for everyone to join. Step 4. Setting reminders and notifications. Reminders are crucial to make sure you don't miss events. You can set notifications to pop up 10 minutes before, 30 minutes before, or even days ahead. You can also add multiple reminders. For example, let's set one reminder for 30 minutes and another reminder for 10 minutes before it starts. Step 5. Using recurring events. If you have weekly meetings, classes, or workouts, you don't need to keep creating them one by one. Instead, check the Does Not Repeat dropdown and select options like Daily, Weekly on Tuesdays, or even Custom. This will save you a lot of time. Step 6. Tasks and to-dos. Google Calendar isn't just for events. You can also use it for tasks. On the right-hand side, click on Tasks and add a to-do list item, such as Submit Assignment by Friday. Tasks appear on your calendar, but they're separate from events, making it easier to manage personal goals alongside meetings. Step 7. Color coding and multiple calendars. If your calendar looks too busy, color coding will help. You can assign different colors for work events, personal reminders, or family activities. You can even create multiple calendars like one for work, one for school, and one for personal use, and toggle them on or off. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe to Simple Step Tutorials, and ring the bell so you never miss a new video. Thanks for watching.